banana ice cream smoothie or banana ice cream milkshake. A beginner's recipe. Today we are going to make bananas ice cream smoothie or banana ice cream milkshake. The ingredients are robusta bananas cut into small pieces, 2 in number, should be ripe, pour in 400 ml of milk, put in the ice cream, into the mixer. We have used chocolate, caramel and butterscotch ice cream. Now put in 3 spoons of sugar, close and mix the contents thoroughly in the mixer. The banana ice cream smoothie or banana ice cream milkshake is ready and can be put into the glasses. This is an excellent beginner's recipe. This is the final banana ice cream milkshake or banana ice cream smoothie. A very easy to make beginner's smoothie which can be made easily for unexpected guests or during festival season. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.